He goes, "Are we doing a video?" I'm like,
Of course we're doing a video.
"Of course we're doing." Okay, so we're gonna do the theme music. Dun, 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 dun. I don't know what the theme music is. Do you? Can you do that? Are you any good at that?
That's my theme music for today's trail run. Sounds kind of like in between Dukes of Hazzards and A-Team, but I won't be doing any of that today. I'll just be cruising, enjoying this beautiful late fall day here where we are.
This is amazing. Like, it's great weather. This is probably the end of our really nice t-shirt season, to be honest.
T-shirts are becoming less of an option soon.
Yep.
Yeah.
And trail trucks are not, so we're gonna hit that hard right now.
You bet.
Oh, holy cow, you're flexing. Whoa, stop. You can't flex that much without actually showing it off. Oh, dude. Just check out the flex. Oh, yeah. We're like dodging some mud holes here. This is a cool scene, to be honest. It looks like something off of Instagram. Kind of cool.
Yeah, it is quite nice.
So what are you driving today? Talk about it.
So this is the CMAX Chevy Blazer from RC 4-wheel drive, the body, and it's a replica of the one-to-one that I own, or have the privilege to own, and now I have the privilege to have it in 1/10, and it hasn't seen much trail time, so I'm actually really lucky that we're out today, and it seems to be driving really nice. I'm actually quite impressed of how well it drives, so I'm excited to have it out, and yeah, it's been fun, and man, it's just such a pleasure to have this and to be able to drive it.
Yeah. Well, nice rig, bud.
Thanks, bud.
Having a replica is a big deal.
Yeah, kind of what I'm getting at is to have the one-to-one and then to have the little guy is a neat experience.
Yeah, for sure.
You betcha.
We need to find me a nice white sport truck Comanche, I guess.
That'd be all right.
I have it. Start with the tiny one, go find a big one? I don't know.
Yeah, I think, although you have that AMC, I think a vintage truck should be in your future.
Yeah.
We did talk about having dirt bikes too. I think that should be in our future.
So we can put those in the back of the Comanche then.
There you go. Perfect.
See?
We got it going on.
All right, we got plans. That's kind of a cool shot. Maybe it's 15, 16 inch or something. And a little bit of tire. So it has kind of a last look.
You know what first comes to mind just as a thought? And I'm right with you. You know that, I don't know if you were at the show. Maybe you weren't at the show. Did you ever see that truck that's like a OSB, they call it, original body style, OBS? And it's all blacked out, and then it's got the white, yellow lettering on the tires. It says, I think it says Nitro or whatever, and it's like, looks like a NASCAR stance, NASCAR tires, NASCAR rims, cool kind of like, that, I think you could like pull off with that car too, right? It's got that, oh, sorry. I got talking.
We got waylaid by a mud hole.
Yep.
There's one there, and there's like a giant one up there just over that ridge that we couldn't get through. So anyway, back at her. Mud hole. Dana wants to have a race.
Okay, we're gonna race to the far end of the mud hole over there. However, I will be dodging all the mud, which is, I know the tiny trucks, but I'm not yet gonna get this one dirty.
Let's have a race to this side of the bigger mud hole,
Okay, all right.
so we don't have to go crashing into it.
That sounds like a good idea.
Okay, you count it down.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. That was
Awesome.
awesome.
Congratulations on your second place finish.
Thanks.
There we go. Pretty cool, man.
Yeah. Wait.
Surprise! We're on the old trestle bridge here. There's another one there. We used to have 4 train tracks that went across the river here.
Yeah.
And this was all lumber yard. Just like 1,000 acres of lumber yard. Some cool spots over there. A couple of really neat lagoons that we found in the river's edge here. Didn't realize they were even there because we're up so high. You can see them now. It's cool.
Yeah, really cool.
Love this town.
Who's having fun?
Yeah, man.
Yeah. muévete. Taking the less scratchy way.
A scratchy way.
I prefer the less scratchy way.
Okay, well, this was a great time.
Yeah, it was.
Thank you to everyone for coming along for our little ATV trail adventure ride.
You bet. That was awesome.
Yep. We're happy to be able to get out in the trucks and share it with you guys.
Tiny trucks.
Talk soon.
See ya.